Hi there, I'm going to show in this tutorial how to repair the Imei for the LG K4, alias known as LG K120. Let's check the Imei before the operation. As you can see, now we power off the device. In order to connect this phone, we are going to power it off. Keep pressed the volume up button for a few seconds, and while the software is searching for it, we insert the USB while keeping pressed the volume up button. You are going to see this in the video. So let's go to the OT Smart module. We select the model number, repair Imei, press connect. Now I'm going to keep pressed the volume up button for a few seconds, and I insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone should get detected. We stop pressing the volume up button, the phone got connected, and now we are asked to input the new Imei here, so we put it. Okay. And that's it. The phone reboots right now, and let's check if the Imei got repaired with the one we entered before. As you can see, the Imei is the same with the one we entered, so it got successfully repaired. Thanks for watching this tutorial, bye bye.